Today, I turn my kitchen into Studio Ghibli movies. Real food from Spirit Away, Castle in the Sky, Kiki's delivery service. About a month ago, I asked my girls what kind of theme do they want for the party. They said Studio Ghibli. They all obsessed with the movies. Of course, I say yes before I realize how much work this is. I'm probably gonna cook until 3 o'clock in the morning, but this one is for my girls. Let's make some magic. In Spirit Away, Chihiro is so far away from home, she was so scared. Then Haku gave her the simple rice ball. This act of kindness gives her hope and strength to save her parents. And this is very easy to make. For the rice ball filling, you can also use chicken, seaweed, or plum. Today I'm making pan-fried spam with a little bit of soy sauce. Really delicious and easy to do. If you cannot shape with your hands, buy a mold. And I put the filling on the top, each one, so you know what's inside. Little trick, wet your hands. Take the warm rice, not too hot, don't burn your hands. Then press down, make like a dumpling wrapper. Place the filling in the middle. Then we wrap into a ball first. Then shape with your palm into a triangle. I know this is a little hard, but with practice, you can do it. Wrap around the bottom, like that. Put the filling on the top to mark what's inside. Another flavor I'm making is pork floss, one of my favorite childhood foods. You can put it in a congee too. I will see if these American kids will eat this. They never had pork floss before. Some are smaller, some are bigger, it's up to you. All Asian people, rice is comfort. Rice is home. Rice is life. Kiki's chocolate cake is so famous. Every time you see it in the movie, you want to grab it from the screen and take a bite. Now I know this chocolate cake is not exactly look like a Kiki's chocolate cake. Her cake is whole chocolate inside out. My cake is a yellow cake inside and the chocolate frosting outside. Because the reason I'm making this is the best birthday chocolate cake you will ever have. Otherwise, I want yours. This recipe is from Joanna Chen, pastry chef. She has the best dessert pastry recipes. Go check out her book, Flour. This is a buttermilk cake. The buttermilk makes it really special. You taste the difference. It is not just sweet, which I don't like very sweet cake. This has a little tang, sour taste that makes you want to have another bite. Oh, so good. Now we bake the cake for 40 to 50 minutes. Next, make the chocolate ganache. Look, hot cream melted chocolate. So smooth. Then we pour this rich chocolate in the butter. And we mix with confectioner sugar, salt, and a little bit of vanilla. Beat on the medium-low until the frosting lightens in color and thickens. It's so rich and smooth. Look at the cake. Now it's finally cool. If your cake slightly, little bit warm, won't melt your frosting. Steam paper, put the first layer here. We're gonna trim a little bit. Oh, this trimmed cake is great. Little nibble snack. Don't throw it away. Let's try a piece. This cake is so good. So moist. Frosting on here. So check out all the recipe on my website. So good. Now we do a first coating. It's called crumb coating. According to our Joanna chef, I learned a lot of baking from her book. Just lightly coat the whole cake. I don't even have a smoothing tool, but it's fine. As long as this is gonna taste so good. Kids will be happy. That's the most important thing, right? So next, I'm making Castle in the Sky beef stew.
Thank you very much for saving me.
Don't go away. In Castle in the Sky, you can see this hearty, beautiful stew. Shira is cooking tender chunks of beef, carrots, and potatoes. shimmering together. This comfort food just makes you feel everything will be okay. And today I'm making a really easy version you can make for a quick dinner or lunch or for the party, especially making so many things. Use the Japanese beef stew cubes. Start with a little bit of vegetable oil and kind of stir fry the meat until it's opaque. Then add onions, get the fragrance out, more carrots, and I like to add a little bit extra pepper and salt. Now just add water, or you can use beef stock. I let the whole pot shimmering for over an hour until beef is so tender. Then I added this beef stew cubes. They are just kind of like melted in the hot soup. Mix well. In the end, I add a potato in because if you cook potato too long, they fall apart. You won't be able to find them. Wow, look at that. Can you try one? Look at the beef. It's hot. Beef so tender. Oh, the vegetable. Look, it's so soft. Wow. So much flavor. Such a comfort food for the fall winter time, but easy to make. In the movie, they eat with the bread. Here, I want to eat with rice. Well, we're doing the next one. One of the most iconic foods in Spirit Away are those steamed red bean paste buns.
かっぱらってきた。ありがとう。やれやれ。
After Chihiro works so hard in the bathhouse, her friend Lin brings those fluffy buns to her. 红豆沙包 in Chinese. We eat this all the time. For breakfast, my kids love those to take to school, filled with red bean paste. Today, I'm making those from scratch. Only thing is the filling you can buy. Save time. Let me show you how to make this. This dough recipe is so fluffy. It's in my second book, Traditional Chinese Wellness Recipes. The filling is a little different in this book, but if you want a red bean paste made from scratch, that is in my first book. Yeah, I have all the recipes. Now wrap the buns with the prepared red bean paste in the middle. We're just making those folds. Look at that. Just like a meat bun, but it's red bean. Then we turn over, make a little smooth outside. Steam it for 15 minutes. The bun recipe is in my second book, Traditional Chinese Wellness Recipes. Let's taste this. So fluffy. Oh my god. Not overly sweet. This is just like a melt in your mouth. We need to go set up the party. That's her birthday.
Thank you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Juliet. Happy birthday to you.
All right.
Nice. Juliet's not having it.
我这个好吃 Real buttercream.
Grab the top.
See that? Hi guys, if you're eating cake, you should try this. I made this until 4 o'clock in the morning, right there. So fluffy. So moist. 蛋糕好不好吃？
I'll get it. No. Ready?
Everybody jumping? spam. That's a pork floss. What do you think?
Pork.
Pork floss? Hi. Wanna try a rice ball?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, let's see. Yeah, the stew I made.
Probably not using these dang chopsticks correctly.
You just use your hands. It's fine. The rice ball you can just your hands.
No judgment. The stew, 10 out of 10, amazing. I just wanna,
Yeah.
I kind of want to bathe in it and then eat it while I bathe in it. It's so good. That's how I feel. Now I just watched the same show over and over again.
Look at the buns. There's a red bean bun. 宝宝怎么样？你也生日的嘛？
And yes, I know the lyrics.
Okay, get more food, Leah. And it's okay?
No.
今天觉得你的 party 怎么样？做菜做到4点 ，I say， 好玩。最喜欢的一道菜是什么
Rice
？The stew like。觉得13岁现在有什么不一样吗 ？What difference, Lily? No difference. 你在吃啥呢？你没有吃。
你说。
他说他在吃糖。Thank you for watching. Next week will be different food, but this party is for you, and for you too.